Hello everyone! Today we will show you how to assemble it. Dobson Levenhuk New Skyline PRO 10 Retractable. Dobson comes in two boxes. In one box is the tube, and in the other box are the mount and accessories. Take the bottom panel and install the central bushing. Like this. Next, put the first bearing plate onto the bushing. Just like this. Take the roller bearing and the second bearing plate. Install the top panel of the base with the threaded holes facing up. Place the small washer onto the adjustment bolt. The small roller bearing, the second washer, and the large washer. Insert it through the top panel into the central bushing and tighten. Let's check the rotation. It should move smoothly and without sticking. Flip the panel over and then carefully screw in the small plastic feet all the way until secure. Install the side panel onto the top panel of the base and fasten it with two wing screws. Install the front panel and the second side panel. Slightly tighten them with the wing screws. Install the rear panel. After we have installed all the panels, screw in the remaining wing screws all the way. Secure the eyepiece holder with two mounting screws. Carefully install the lower ring of the optical tube into the bottom section of the mount base. Loosen the three clamps on the lower ring. Insert the spacers. Secure the altitude brake with a screw. Tighten it all the way, directly into the upper ring. Install the finder scope. Install the eyepiece. There is a cooling fan on the lower part of the ring. Install the battery compartment. Insert the batteries here. The telescope is ready.